Your assignment this week is to read an article on one of the themes of our novel. This article is a shortened version of an article that is written for native speakers of English. At first, you might think that the article is difficult, but you already know a lot about the topic. Sal's mother abandoned Sal and Sal's father. We already know that Sal suffers from a lot of effects of the abandonment. As you read the article, see if you can recognize some of the effects of abandonment that Sal has experienced. Up at the top here, you can see the title. This is the title of the article, and the author is Peter K. Gerlach. As you read the article, I do want you to take annotation notes. And I want you to please make examples of the 4 types of questions. I did make copies of the article for you, but I forgot to hand them out on Tuesday. But you can print the article from Moodle from here so that you can annotate. As you look at the article, notice that it has some subtitles. So if we go back up here, this is the main title of the article. And these are the subtitles. What is abandonment? What causes abandonment? How can abandonment affect kids and adults? And finally, what are the impacts on children? Okay, so the title of the article, as I told you, is on the top, and the subtitles are titles that are below the main title. Sub means below, and they're called subtitles. They help you read and understand because you can see that the article is divided into several sections, and we counted 4. 1, 2, there's the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. Each section has its own title. You can see that most of the subtitles are in question form. These are all questions. That means when you read that section, you should find the answer to the question. And that's what's really important, is to think about that. So remember that the article is divided into 4 sections, and each section is not very long. You should take notes, as I said, annotate and think of questions. And then when you get down to this last part where it says impacts on children, I want you to kind of think about Sal and some of these impacts, and what have you noticed from reading the book? What impacts does she suffer from?